welcome back. Today's vlogmas. What day is it? I don't know. But wait, okay, vlogmas. Happy vlogmas. How are you guys vlogmasing? I'm starting to get more in like the spirit mood. We're gonna watch The Grinch. We've set a date. We've made plans. I'm excited. So today, I had talked about this briefly in my Black Friday video, and I had a couple people say that they wanted me to unbox it on here instead of doing an Instagram reel. And one of the other videos that I was planning on doing is not good. So I'm gonna do this one instead. So this is the House of Huda Advent Calendar. It's 12 doors. Okay, it's really cute. I bought this on Black Friday, but this was not on sale, and this advent calendar retails for $175 and I paid $175. Was that smart? Probably not. But, and I explained this in that video, I did it because there were a couple of things that I wanted and they happened to be included in this, along with some stuff that I wanted to try. I cannot tell you what is in here though, because that's how shitty my memory is. Like, I remember looking at the list and being like, oh yeah, I'd use everything in here, and most of it's full size. But what's in here? I don't know. So we're gonna unbox it today. It's really pretty, and I guess we'll be talking about whether or not it was worth $175. Normally, I get advent calendars every year, and I open them appropriately. This one, however, this year I didn't get. This is the only like advent calendar that I got, and I didn't get it for the advent. I got it for the products inside. I'm thinking next year of doing like a 12 days of advent, where for like 12 days I just unbox advent calendars. I don't know though. Like, first of all, that get very expensive, and second of all, I'm really picky about advent calendars, but I also feel like it'd be a good opportunity. Like, I wasted my money, so y'all don't have to. So let me know down below if you guys would like to see that next year as part of Vlogmas 12 days of advent calendars. I'm considering it, but like, I still have to like nail down details and shit if I even decide to do it. So, Huda Beauty. This is really pretty, and I might actually keep this, like this box, after this is all said and done. So you're supposed to save 35% if you buy this instead of buying the products outright. That's what the website claims. You save 35%, you get 12 products in here, and I know that one of them is a palette, but it's like the chances of 3 different palettes. From what I recall, I liked all 3 of the palettes, so I'd be fine with any of them, and I didn't have any of them, which is shocking. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and then you've got these nice little drawers. So I'm going to start with one. I did not expect them to fall like that. Okay. I also thought that this was like a pull-out drawer. So it is a, oh, it's a box. Okay. So day 1 is the Life Lighter Quick and Easy. Okay. I literally bought one of these during Black Friday because I wanted one so bad. Oh, it looks so nice. I love liquid liners, you guys know that. And I really like Huda Beauty's eye products, like most of the time. So I wanted to give this one a try. I'm really excited to have an extra actually, because backups of eyeliners are so nice. The Urban Decay one that I just bought, I didn't get, like I bought a duo of, and when I put it, I was using it last week, and when I put it back in, I caught the brush on the cap and it frayed. So thank God I had a backup, because I actually really like that one. Number 2 is this corner one right here. And I know a couple of these products I have, not all of them though, but like the ones that I have, I remember I was like, I would be okay with repeats of that. I think the little box thing is cute, and I like that because this is like paper cardboard, so you could probably recycle that. Oh, this is what started it. So you have a full-size Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. In my Shop My Samples, I had done a sample of this, and I loved it. It was actually a really nice primer. Like, it was like literally a one-time use sample though, so I wasn't able to get a lot of like wear and tear testing out of it, but I really enjoyed it when I had it, and I love primers like this, so I wanted to get the full size. And I realized at some point that the full size was in this box. It literally feels like a water gel. It's fabulous. But I realized at some point that the full size is in this like advent calendar, and that's when I started looking at it, because then I realized that another full size of something I wanted was in this. The 2 products together were like, I don't even remember how much, but it kind of made more sense to me to get the calendar. So now we're just testing out to see if that theory was accurate or not. I'm really excited about this one because, like I said, I've tried this and I like it a lot. Number 3 is right here. I feel like this is very cumbersome to hold. Okay, we have another, I don't understand why they're putting it all in. I mean, I guess to do the surprise. Ooh. So this is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. I love products like this, and this just looks so glamorous. It's in like a lip gloss form. It feels almost like a lip oil, but it does feel a little sticky. I like getting products like this because I like trying products like this, so I'm cool with it. Just for like to test it out, right? But it does feel a little sticky, so I'm interested to see how that goes. But the packaging is stunning. Like, oh, good lord. I'm just gonna pull out number 4. Like, you guys have seen what it looks like. Let's just pull out number 4. I'm also thinking I might be able to do like a full face of Huda Beauty now. There's very few brands that I have like a full face of, and I might have enough with Huda. So if you're interested, let me know. Oh yes. Okay, this is the Balm Brows. So this is a micro shade brow pencil. This comes in light brown. I did buy this too, but I think I bought like a different shade. I think I bought a shade darker, but I've been wanting to try this because it is just a micro brow pencil. Looks fabulous. The packaging reminds me of that Revolution liner. Comes with a spoolie too. That I didn't like because of the packaging, because it was like, this is kind of thicker and just makes it easier to hold, and that packaging was just a straight up like metal rod square, and it was just so bizarre, and it did not make anything easier at all. What number was that? 4? 5. This is fun. I can't believe I didn't do advent calendars this year. I love advent calendars, but I think part of my problem is the fact that I don't like I like to know what I'm getting for the most part, you know? And I like full-size products, so I don't want to be surprised like that. Oh, is this a full size? I don't know if this is a full size or not. I probably will consider it a full size because it's like too big to go in the sample drawer. But this is from Wishful, which is like the skincare line under the Huda Beauty umbrella. I don't know. I have tried some of their products and I really like them. I just bought one of the masks during Black Friday, but this is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, which I've tried. I liked it, but it is more of like a polish to me. So it's one of those things where I have to go into it like knowing, having the appropriate expectations, like this is going to be like a facial polish and not really a scrub. But this is in Gingerbread Latte. Okay, that actually smells really good. I like that. I cannot wait to use this. I'll probably put this in my shower like soon actually, which I normally don't do, but it's the holiday season. So we can make an exception and I think that's fine. That is so cute. Like, look at this packaging. Is that not adorable with the little gingerbread men on it? Oh my God. Okay, number 6. Okay, this is the other thing that I really wanted. So this is the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. HA and Peptide Serum. I don't know why I saw this and I was like, yes. And I feel like I saw it when it launched. Oh, I hate those droppers. I feel like I saw it when it launched and I was, okay, so you guys know that I really like skincare that provides hydration because I have combo skin like on my face. My body is so dry all the time, but I have like combo skin on my face, but I get dry patches and things like that. So for me personally, just I pretend to prefer hydration products. I can use products made for oily skin and I can use products that are made for combo skin, but I really prefer the dry skin products because I feel like they just make my skin look the best. This I have really high hopes for. I'm really excited about it. Okay, so these two were the products that I wanted. I wanted the Thirst Trap and I wanted the water jelly. That sounds so weird, but yes, thank you. What number was that? That was 6. We're moving on to 7. This is so much fun though. Why didn't I get an advent calendar this year? Because I feel like I would have really enjoyed that. Okay, this one is the palette. So ooh, this is Rich Nude Obsessions. I love their Obsession palettes. They're so pretty. Look at, oh, that just looks so luxe. So, you guys. I don't remember what the other ones were, but I feel like I could not have gotten a more perfect palette than this because this is beautiful. It's neutrals, but you have the mauve rosy tones, but it also leans towards the more like dark side, right? It doesn't have just like the natural kind of stereotypical neutral shades that we're all used to seeing. It definitely leans darker, and I love that. Which one is this? Rich Nudes Obsession. Oh my goodness. I am here for that. That is beautiful. Cannot wait to try it. Going into 8. All right, I'm starting to dig the like wrapping because it gives it a little bit more of a surprise. Oh, this is a legit lashes mascara. So you have one side for volume, one side for curl and length. I don't have this, but I did see it during Black Friday and I almost got it, but I had already purchased so many other mascaras at that point. I really couldn't justify it. But I'm excited about that because that looks really nice. The brushes that I've seen online, I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to open it, but the brushes that I've seen online looks really nice. And this packaging is pretty cool too. It's like a try, right? And you've got just the both sides. I think that's so cute. I've heard really good things about it. Have you guys heard anything about this? So I'm excited to give that a try. Number 9. Was there a lipstick in here? Because I'm really hoping there was a lipstick in here. Yes! Oh, that was good. That was good. This is the matte lipstick in Interview. Is this a mini or is this a full size? That's tiny. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell how tiny it is, but it's tiny. Let's see the shade though. Oh, this is one of those, the power lipstick. This is a mini, right? I'm not gonna put it in my samples. It looks like, I can just see, it looks velvet. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, I love this shade. Oh my goodness. Second of all, I love the texture of this. Oh my goodness. That is like, that's beautiful. So yeah, that's a beautiful shade. I don't remember, I feel like, okay, I'm trying to think back to what I saw. I feel like I knew there was some type of lip product, but I didn't know which one. Were there options? I don't know. It literally like lists everything online. I just don't remember jack shit, so it's very different for me. All right, oh shit, what day is this? This is day 10. Now I'm getting like way ahead of myself. Oh, I love this. And in day 10, ooh, oh, this is so perfect. I'm literally wearing falsies today, you guys. Kismet. Day 10 is a set of Huda Beauty lashes. These are the Samantha No. 7 Classics. These are gorgeous. They're pretty long. That does concern me a little bit just because with glasses I have to be careful about the length, but I feel like that should be okay. Those are beautiful though. And I have tried Huda Beauty lashes before, believe it or not. And I like them. They're pretty nice and they last like all day. They're pretty comfortable and everything. So, all right. Day 11, I think this is a mini because this is 0.70 ounces. This is the Wishful Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer. I remember seeing this in there, and like I said, I remember a couple of minis, but the minis were all stuff I was wanting to try anyway, so I was like, oh, okay, I'll take it. I don't know if this is a mini or not though. That feels so nice. Oh my goodness. So I'm trying to think about what I've tried from Wishful. I know I've tried the scrub. I think I've tried a couple different scrubs. And I think I've tried like one other thing, but I cannot tell you what it is. But I've been dying to try the Honey Whip because I've seen it before. I love the packaging. I don't know why. I just get so into this packaging that looks like this. And I know they have another one too that I have almost purchased like so many times. I think it's in like the purple packaging and I haven't purchased it yet, but I've almost purchased it so many times. All right, final day 12. This is the big shebang, the big kit and caboodle. Okay, so day 12 was the Wishful Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Masks. Obviously, I'm excited because I love eye masks like this and I use them every day, so awesome. I think that makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because so much of this was like full-size, high-value products, and then the very last day was an eye mask. I'm questioning their logic there. Okay, but all in all, for $175, you get products from Wishful and from Huda Beauty, right? You get eye masks, you get a moisturizer, you get a serum, you get a scrub. That's all fine and dandy. And then you get lashes, you get an eyeshadow palette, you get brows, a liner, a lip balm, a mascara, a lipstick, and a primer. I feel like overall that's pretty good. Like, I am happy with my purchase because I wanted all this stuff anyways, and this did end up saving me about 35%. I have not checked their math, but I'm willing to believe it because I know roughly like how much this stuff costs. I just haven't checked their math as far as like the value of the travel sizes. So I'm willing to believe their math. I can handle that, right? I think it's a really cute set. I do. I love the packaging. I probably am gonna keep this. I will say I was a little disappointed when I first pulled it out because I thought they were drawers, but I guess the 12 doors. It makes sense. I think it's a really cute concept though. So if you have somebody that likes high-end makeup or likes Huda Beauty or wants to get more into Huda Beauty, I definitely think that it would be worth it. This, I know they did one very similar last year, but like with different products. So I'm hoping they do another one in 2022. And this is literally what sparked, because I was like, if they do another one in 2022, I'm probably gonna buy one. And then I've seen a bunch of people unboxing advent calendars, and I've done that before too, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun. And I know like Lush does an advent calendar, and I almost bought that this year, but I ended up not buying it. And like there were so many calendars I almost bought, but then I was like, no, but I really am kind of regretting that now. So if you guys would be interested in a 12 days of advent for next year, let me know. I think this is a really cute one. I think it was worth it, and I think that most of the products in here are full size, which, I mean, that's always a plus. I don't like the sample sizes. I much prefer like full size products. And if it is gonna be a sample, it needs to be big enough so that I can actually try it, okay? I am using so many like teeny tiny samples in my Shop My Samples project pan, and it's driving me crazy because do I like the product? I don't fucking know. What's the point? What is the point? So yeah, I think it's super cute. I think it's well worth it. I really enjoyed it, and I like this one a lot better than the one that they had last year, but I was also going out specifically looking for products that happened to come in here, which will obviously sway my opinion of it because for me, it fulfilled a need. Okay, always something to keep in mind. So I think it was worth it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, if you guys would pick this up for $175, if you would pick it up like on sale only, or if you're like, what the fuck are you talking about? That was a terrible deal. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Make sure you guys do a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me, and I will catch you guys next time.